Hi everyone, this is Donna Gilliland, and I decided that I would just create a video and drop in to give you a special message and actually to ask you a question. I want to find out if you have started using the new open AI technology called ChatGPT. It hasn't been out long and it's in the testing phase, and currently it is free. Well, I have been testing it out and I am blown away at its capabilities. Now, what I want to do is to share with you how I've been using it in the testing process in hopes that one, it would interest you to go yourself and try out ChatGPT. One of the ways that I personally find it helpful is content creation. But as I said a moment ago, there's a mass number of ways in which to benefit by using this AI technology. So in the testing phases, this is what I've been doing. Number one, I know that I have new webinars that are coming out this year, and there's one that's ready to go. Well, I don't know about you, but I often struggle with a good marketing title that will grab attention for a new event or for a blog post. And I think I spend a lot of time just coming up with titles sometimes. So this time I used ChatGPT. I typed in that I have created a webinar on XYZ, what it was, gave a quick synopsis of what the event is about. And then I asked it to generate for me a few marketing titles that would grab attention. And in just seconds, I had 5 excellent titles. Actually, before that, I used ChatGPT to give me its thoughts on a title I already had in mind. And it came back and actually gave me positive feedback that that's a good title, but here's how it could be tweaked to be better. Another way I tested it was there was a blog post that I am writing about another platform. And I put the synopsis in of what I am planning to write about within that blog post, and then ask it to compose my blog post based upon the parameters that I gave ChatGPT. And it came back and gave me an excellent post, well written. And of course, you can take what has been written and then tweak it again for your own self. But I had what I needed in a matter of a minute. That's amazing. So ChatGPT could help you with content creation for social media updates and for helping you write your blog post faster. It can even help you in composing an email. As I tested, there was an email I was crafting for a customer, and it was a bit of marketing involved. And again, I put in the synopsis of what I'd like to convey within that email, and then ask it to write the email for me. And it did a good job. Now, just for fun, I like to cook. So just for fun, I wanted to take one of my recipes and have ChatGPT convert it to French. And of course, you know what it did. I got a French version of my recipe. There's a lot more I could tell you about what I've learned in testing ChatGPT, and I will have a webinar for that. I'll tell you about that later in another communication. But right now, I want to encourage you to go try it yourself. Of course, in the webinar, I'll tell you how you can get to ChatGPT, how it works, the pros and the cons as well. But in the meantime, this is something you can go and try for yourself. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments for me. And I would be curious to know if you are in business for yourself or you're in marketing in some way, have you been using ChatGPT to help you with content? I'd like to know how you've been using it. But I've got such a list that I have already of ways that I've used it. I'm so excited about it. Can you tell? So that's why I wanted to drop by and talk to you about ChatGPT and to encourage you to start testing it out. So So that's it for now. I'll talk to you later.